Good morning, everyone. I'm also very grateful for the opportunity to share insights, passion, energy, and our vision as the young generation. I would like to take you to a tour and imagine life in 2030. You wake up in the morning, how do you feel? You open the window, what do you see? You check your mobile phone, what do you read? On your way to the office, what do you see? You talk to your family, to your colleagues, to your friends. What are you talking about? And we are in 2030. That year, in 2030, we will be 8.5 billion people. The world will be home to 8.5 billion souls, 8.5 billion minds, 8.5 billion bodies, 8.5 brain power, 8.5 billion human power. The world will be an arena for 8.5 billion actors. We will hear about 8.5 billion solutions, unique, valuable. Each life will contribute to a better world. No matter your sex, your age, and yes, babies and children will play a role. Your education, being schooled, unschooled, graduated or not graduated. Your location, if you are in the north, the south, the east or the west part of the world. No matter your condition or no matter your story, each and everyone will play a role, and no one will be left behind. No one will be left behind is a goal that we want to achieve, but it is also the only way to get there. The 7.6 billion people of 2017 and the 8.5 billion people that we will have in 2030, this growing population is the biggest response to global challenges. Every single life is needed to achieve the global agenda of a world free of poverty, a world free of hunger, and a world free of inequality. Every single life brings a unique solution. You, me, all of us. Are you aware of that? Is she aware of that? Is he aware of that? Let's create that awareness. Let's unleash the potential of these 7.6 billion people today. Let's unleash the potential of each single human life. We are born with unique DNA. We are each of us a unique model. And so are the solutions that we will bring to this world. Let's unleash them. Unleash. This is what the Unleash Innovation Lab started this year in Denmark. It's about unleashing the human potential of the young generation to provide unique solutions. Unleash is a new global initiative that believes in the passion, the energy, the creativity of the people to define new ways of thinking, new ways of working in a new era of development. 1,000 young talents, aged from 20 to 35, from 6 continents and 129 countries. We gathered for 9 days in Denmark. 1,000 young academics, entrepreneurs, and technical experts. So today I would like to tell you that you can leave your fears, leave your comfort zone, leave your assumptions. Go and meet people, create bridges. Anyone and anywhere can start co-creating with you. Venture with people you never met and never spoke to. Take that risk. Beautiful collaboration will come out. Unique solutions will come out. I lived with people I have never met. I ate with people I had never met. I worked with people I had never met, and it turned out to be one of the most beautiful human and social experiences ever during the Unleash Innovation Lab this year. Life lessons and insights came out. All together we were singing, we were dancing, playing, telling stories to stimulate our minds to learn and create more. All of that set the tone for innovation and changed the way we addressed global problems. So great outcomes emerged. 200 solutions to achieving the SDGs, a global network of 1,000 young people ready for implementation, a global partnership with Denmark, companies, UN, a platform for innovations. So we are the hyper-connected generation. We share instantaneously, we go viral, we make buzz, we can impact thousands, millions, and billions of people in no time at all. We can replicate anywhere, and we take a flight so easily, we travel with so much ease. We are really definitely hyper-connected. So only together we can make things bigger and bolder. Only through people we will have deeper impact. And I believe Unleash is a seed that will flourish and multiply. The best technology and the best investment we need today is an exponential solution to reach out to the 8 billion people and unleash their potential for change. Today I work for the International Fund for Agricultural Development, called IFAD, here in Rome, and we work to transform rural areas for the Agenda 2030. Our motto is invest in rural people. Rural transformation cannot be achieved without people. Rural transformation is an inclusive process. If you think of a technology, invest in the people who will create it. If you think of sharing and disseminating a technology, invest in the people who will do it. Invest in the people who will use it. Invest in the people who will benefit from it. What I love the most in my job, my passion, my mission, and my vision is empowerment. People with power for change. Unleash this potential of people for powerful and transformational changes. This year in March, I went to Sierra Leone to review a project funded by IFAD. The best part of that review was the moment when I met the beneficiaries. They were able to tell their stories and their pathway to change. I met a former group of street boys who used to move as a gang, untouchable, the bad boys. They used to train other boys to steal and become professional thieves. Two of them told me that the best life ever was street life. And today they belong to a local NGO and they work as community facilitators. One became a pastor, some went back to school. What happened in between is an investment on people. The project gives them power. In their baggy trousers and their arrogant attitude, they were invited to training sessions. They came because food was provided. The training was based on a participatory action learning system. One basic principle of this methodology is that everyone is a leader of change. It's very practical, using visuals and tools to empower marginalized people living in rural communities. It turned out to be a life-changing training that led to transformational changes. So again, let's invest in people, let's empower people. We are the generation that will make that happen. Knowledge, technology, money, network, connection, everything is available to us. What we need is to make a good use of them, to unleash their potential. I want to wake up in 2030 and feel alive, energetic, full of enthusiasm, because positive changes is happening in every corner of the world, and and everyone is taking part of that change. Thank you.